If you know me, you know I hit different when it comes to making money online. And what did I mean by I hit different? Because I'm the only legit person I think you can find when you are seeing my videos. I'm the only legit person that will tell you the right ways that you can make money online than to lie to you to get views and subscribers. And I always want to see those who are serious about making money. I don't want maybe to just gather views without those who are also watching me getting value from my videos. I always want to provide the value that I can give to the community, which they will always continue to value my how I evolve to the world, because I don't want to give out things that is not working or things that can bring maybe negativity into my personality. I am the type that want to take the youth out of poverty and show them the way of making money online. And it is always difficult to do that when you don't know much about this making money online thing. And I'm now here to show you the right paths using social media, like how to use YouTube to make money, how to use TikTok to make money, how to use Facebook to make money, how to use Instagram to make money, how to use Twitter to make money. So if you are interested about making money online using these social media platforms, all what you need to do is that you need to make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on post notification bell, because I'm going to be posting more videos like this. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're watching this video right now.